Welcome to the 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is the 2010 Sharp Eye channel. You are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0. Brother, how's it?
My brother, today I'm going to teach you a weight.
Yeah.
Incratinaticans and Babikranicans.
And absolutely so much.
And absolutely so much.
Yeah.
You see Ribeiro, today he was not Incratinaticans. Babikranicans, you can see the qualities there. Mara, today, man, the focus was not there. I feel like he was panicking. That's why he's not Incratinaticans.
Yeah.
Mara, you saw, once we introduced Reinas, and we introduced him, there was a change in momentum. That's what we call Incratinaticans.
Yeah.
That is what we call and I think that's what we need for the first game. You see, the Egyptians, they've studied how we play. That's why we need to switch how we play. Once they get used to our momentum, we switch momentum. You see, if we do like that, I'm sure we can score. One away goal.
Not. And at least you didn't concede.
No. You see, once you concede at home, it's like you're 2 goals behind. You know?
Exactly.
And that affects your mentality. So the way we are right now, it's a little draw. Ragora 1, Roturi 2.
Exactly. You sounded like a Lostro there. Okay, my brother.
I not so much interesting consequence about Babikranicans. I live anyhow Babikranicans, but I taken so long about Chronicans. Even my homebody, they always want to make me want to smoke a Babikranicans. Now I'm absolutely so much, not little, but it's not.
Okay, my brother. I'm gonna explain this mathematically.
Yeah.
Sundown to Heavy the way hyperbolic. And so they were like more like a hyperbolic function. It was more like an asymptote. They were getting closer to the goal, but they're not scoring.
There was an asymptote. We fall.
Exactly. When they get to the 18-yard area, it's like an asymptote. They get there. On tour, parabola.
We go up, we reach a crescendo. When we're supposed to shoot,
You go down.
we go down.
But what I've seen, the moment.
We call it a half cycle.
Exactly.
So what I've seen, the moment they introduced this guy Mushish, like it was now a straight line function. It was straightforward.
Yeah.
That guy was there in the middle of the park. He was cooking. He was a chef.
He needed someone to be parallel with him.
Exactly parallel, because
They were not supporting him on the side.
Exactly.
there was, as you can see, as you have seen, like that guy Ribeiro was perpendicular to that guy. So that doesn't make sense circumferentially.
And they created a 90-degree angle at the bottom there.
You can't pass the ball with a 90-degree angle. You need an angle.
Or an acute
one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can't pass the ball someone to your side. You need to pass forward. You see how they play rugby. Rugby you pass back. With soccer you pass forward to keep the ball moving. But they were not doing that.
So
they don't know trigonometry. That's the problem.
What I've seen, those guys were vertical opposite to each other. So once they're vertical opposite, they was a person bolo pila. Mathematically, Ribeiro, Lezwane. They were alternating angles. They were not doing the things.
Exactly.
They were not cooking the way.
Thank you so much.
Bolo e wina ka maoto.
What channel? I want to follow this channel.
It's Novo 2010 Sharp Eye.
No, please follow it.
Hey, tada.
I don't.